Hi everyone, this is me creating a family's study area for 3 kids and their mother. So this is the area that we're dealing with. It also has a small dog's door that we need to let free so he can pass through. And this is me adding basic shapes so we can decide what works best for them before I start selecting items from IKEA that are within their budget and fit their space. And this is the products I chose. We have kallax drawers, a kitchen counter for the corner piece that adds storage, and kallax on the walls with doors, and a Billy bookcase with 4 doors. Hope you enjoyed it.